Okay, you might recognize this. Some of you do. This is my Magic Chef 25 pint automatic dehumidifier with frost guard. It was made in '95, September 1995, and it's worked pretty good since. Just had it running. It's still dripping water out the back. But the reason I shut off, because this fan motor is failing. It'll actually start going so slow that it doesn't even move any air anymore, but it still turns. I'll record temperature real quick for you. Got my thermometer here. That's what the motor temperature is right now. It's currently 160 degrees. 165 in some spots. I don't believe, I know it's not supposed to be near that much. That concerns me because this has only been getting worse as time goes on. I put a little oil in that shaft right there. I don't think it did anything. I thought maybe it would, but I'm thinking this might be the cause right here. That's how easy I can move it back and forth. I think that's a little bit too easy. I don't even think it's supposed to do that. I'm guessing something's went bad in this motor. It still spins freely. Just decides to overheat and slow down and stop. And it's really dripping water out the back. Anyways. It should be right there. But yeah, so I'm going to turn it on once more and see if the fan still is going slow. It'll probably start off a little faster, then just slow down again. So here we go. Let me get this flashlight ready. Yeah, it's still going slow. It's a lot slower than it should be going. Filters out. Yeah, that's how humid it is in here right now. 61%. And I just had to drag it out, even though I knew it's not going to perform real well. Had to drag out so it'll get rid of a little bit of humidity, if not most of it, because I know this thing's going to die out again on me. I usually put a fan in front of it so that it can pull some extra air through and keep dehumidifying. But one of these days I'm probably just have to disconnect the motor there and then just use a fan in front of it or something, or find another fan to put in here. I mean, it's not going near as fast as it should. Fastco 1,550 RPM motor, 115 volts, assembled in Mexico. Yeah, I'm gonna have to either replace it or just repair it. I'm not sure exactly what's wrong with it though. It might be the bearings. Could be anything within that plate of the motor shaft. Because I can just move the blade in and out like this, and that's not right. No motor's supposed to do that. So anyways, that's all I want to say. I'll stop this video here, and if any of you think you can help me or give a guess at what it is and what I should do, if I should try to get it repaired or if I should just put a new motor in. And now it's starting to make a little clunking noise. But anyways, yeah, if you have any suggestions on what to do, I'd really appreciate it, because this thing is really starting to get slowed down, and I'd like to have a dehumidifier that actually moves air. This one works good, the whole cooling system. You know, it collects a good amount of water, just that fan is not doing it. So yeah, alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please leave comments, rate, subscribe. Out.